Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're ripping this 18-pack box of Repacked Wax. I've had it sitting here for a few months now. I actually bought it while watching the live stream of John Jabs over at the Passes Alive, and I've just been sitting on it. So tonight we're actually going to rip into it, see what we can pull out of here. Hopefully some Hall of Fame rookies, some good vintage cards, and we'll see what we find. Hopefully it's something. Okay, let's jump right into the rip here. You'll have to bear with me. I'm not 100% familiar with all the older cards. Never actually really got into collecting those as a kid. Mainly focused on, early 90s. So like I said, if I miss something or if I'm not 100% on it at first, let's not jump all over me. Okay, it's like $85. Chris Chambliss, Brett Butler, Mel Hall. Okay, these cards are every which way. Ben Grieve, JT Snow. What do we got here? Moose Haas. Paul Householder. Oh, there's a good one. $87. Looks like opening day, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Jose Uribe, Wade Boggs, 90 Leaf. Carlos Garcia. We got here 81 batting and pitching leader. Excuse my fat thumb. George Brett. Oh, we got here 1966 or 67. Cleon Jones and Dick Selma. Like I said, forgive me guys if I'm not well versed on the vintage cards. Like I said, just getting back into collecting here, so have to bear with me. By all means, correct me down in the comments. I don't mind. I don't take offense to it. I realize I'm not 100% up on everything. Okay, we got here 75 Rudy May. Let's see here, Marquise Grissom, Cal Daniels, Rick Dempsey. Oh, these cards are every which way. Okay, Jack Howell, Jim Slayton, Al Collins. Ooh, Pat Kelly, Bob Brower. What do we got here? Al Rosen, Roy Kemp, 75 tops. Rudy May. It'd be nice if it was a Henderson rookie. Andre Scalaraga. And let's see here. Craig Biggio. Insert card or holographics. Interesting. I know these boxes are no longer available. At least they're sold out last I checked. So I contemplated, should I open it or should I try and resell it? But I'm like, there's no fun in reselling it. So here we are. Looks like we got a Devon White rated rookie coming up. Let's see, Freddie Garcia, Devon White rated rookie. Zerstad. Joe Youngblood, Roy Smalley. Oh, look, Griffey Jr. rookie. $89. Not bad. I'll take it. Put that one down there now. No, I didn't just wreck it on the edge of the box, although it did look like that. And let's see here. We got Bernie Williams, Todd Hundley, Interleague Showdown. Hopefully everybody's doing well. I know with the pandemic, a lot of us have found ourselves getting back into cards. Angel Hermoso. Man, I wish these cards were right side up. Tito Landrum, Tommy Boggs, Joaquin Andujar, Tim Leary, and Billy Swift Stadium Club, Kurt Miller, Paul Splittorff, Ray Langford, Power Corps, Fred Lynn, and Kevin Tapani. Here's a nice one here. 71 AL RBI leaders. Excuse my fat thumb. Harmon Killebrew, Killebrew, Frank Robinson and Reggie Smith. Mark Portugal, Clyde Wright, and let's see, Hanley Ramirez Bowman. Let's see, 2005 Bowman. That's his rookie card. You guys can yell at me, I'm not sure. Forgive me, like I said. Okay, what we got here? First year, John Not Bazooka. This card is thick. Almost thought it was a relic card at first. Burt Blyleven, Rick Sutcliffe, Willie Horton. Sandy Alomar Jr. Medal, Jeff Montgomery. All right, Raphael Landestoy, Joe Ferguson, Mike Squires. Let's see what we got here. Doug Strange, Dick Allen, Hank Aaron. That's not bad. Let's see what year this one is. A puzzle piece one. Like I said, forgive me if I don't know the exact year. Randy Myers, Jack Brohammer. That's a cool name. Okay. Bernie Allen, Tim Leary, and Todd Williams. Let's see, Kevin Riddy, Phenoms, Finest, Jason Jambier, Refractor, or Finest, I should say, Hoyt Wilhelm. That's not bad. Dave Steeb with a big line through it. Dent. Ryan Klesko, Black Diamond here. Jermaine Dye, and Toby Hall. Oh, a checklist. Yes. Ken Griffey Jr., Home Run Club, Top Stadium Club. It's okay. Everybody likes Griffey. Kurt Schilling, Jim Bibby, 75 tops, and Roberto Alomar. Insert card here, looks like. Yep, Sunset TE51. Hopefully we'll get a decent hit here soon. So I'm probably boring you guys to death with how slow I'm going. Palmero Upper Deck. Championship year, Spud Chandler. That's a cool looking card. Wade Blasingame. Davey Lopes. Romeo Sergio. Jeff Reardon. Catfish Hunter coming up. He's a 77, I believe. Joe Albatelli manager card. Keith Hernandez, 85 Donruss. Roger Clemens pinnacle card. Seen better days. Mark Wohlers, Tony Armas, Rick Mailer, and the 75 tops, Alex Johnson. Moving right along here. Nothing groundbreaking yet, at least to me. Darnell Coles, Dusty Baker, Cheeto Martinez, Esteban Beltre, Kevin Millwood, Bo Jackson here, the White Sox, Gary Scott, 75 rookie pitchers, John Denny, no one good here. Let's see what we got here. Willie Mays in action. That's a nice one. Let's see. This is the 72, I believe, or 71. Like I said, you guys can yell at me in the comments. Oh, look, Joe Girardi. Looking all dapper there. Ed Sprague, 75. Bill Madlock, a checklist. Jim Brewer, this is 61. Yeah, 61 tops. Cool card. Forgive my mess over here. Put the Griffey over here too, just so you guys can see it. Kent Herbeck, Gary Beer, Bobby Grich, and let's see, Jose Guzman, Rob Natal, Tim Pugh, 68 rookie stars, Hal McRae and Bill Henry. Hal McRae was a decent player for the the Royals back in the 80s. Future Impact, Al Holland, Marquise Grissom, 87 Flair Canseco. I'll put that down just because I PC him. So Jody Reed, Bob Robertson, and what do we got here? Scott Frederickson. Moving right along. Gotta wonder, it's like the box that I got. Is it not as good because I wasn't on YouTube then? It makes you wonder if they sent stacked boxes to the bigger channels. Oh, dropped there in Dalton. Just lost a nickel. Frank Tanana, okay. 85 checklist. Rafael Ramirez, Dave Kingman. Rusty Greer, Joey Cora, Orlando Cepeda. It's not a bad one. Mark McGuire. There comes a very bad cut on a Jim Palmer. Pretty cool though still. Let's see what we can pull out of here. Let's see, Brad Radke, Lance McCullers, Pete Harnish, Bobby Wine, Barbaro Garvey. Another 75 tops. Well, 2 Jim Hunters in a row. 75 tops and 79, I believe. Back to back. It'd be nice if I PC Jim Hunter. Austin Tyler, Terry Francona, Frank White, Wes Chamberlain, Scott Service, nice Cal Ripken. And what do we got here? Have Edgar Renteria. It's a cool looking card. Nicer player would be better though. Forgive me for my sloppiness there. Okay, we got Todd Stottlemyre. What do we got here? Finest Gamers, Mike Greenwell. Interesting. 69 strikeout leaders, Fergie Jenkins, Bob Gibson, Bill Singer. Very nice card. Corey Patterson, Pete Rose, Steve Carlton, Dick Sharon, 75, Kurt Schilling, 75, Dave Kingman with a bunch of creases in it. And let's see, we got Jeff D'Amico, a die cut. Okay, continue on with this. Let's see what we get here. Oh, this card's seen better days. Sal Bando. Looking a little rough there, Sal. Figures out to get a Sal card that's roughed up. Looks like someone scraped it across some dirt. Oh well, good thing it wasn't anybody great. Harold Baines, who shouldn't be in the Hall of Fame. Frank Duffy, Pedro Guerrero, Ed Vandenberg, You got a Finest of Brian Hunter, Young at Heart, Lance Parrish, about 90 in that card. Glenn Barker, Jim Sundberg, Bill Stein. You got some more 75 tops coming up. Another Jim Hunter. I mean, I don't know how many of the same Jim Hunters I can get. Bill Hands. Yep, starting to wonder if the box I got is not as stacked as the one they sent John Jabs over to Passes Alive to promote on his channel. You gotta wonder. John Curtis, Andy McGaffigan, Larry Herndon, Willie Wilson, and at least make the cards. Ozzie Smith, Textbook Excellence, Eric Chavez, Tom Yerzer, Frank Tanana, Carmelo Martinez, Ed Sprague, Joe Morgan. It's not a bad card of Joe Morgan. Bob Melvin, Marty Patton, and a Jeremy Hermida Bowman. So far, I'm not too thrilled with everything, but hey, it's all random, right? Okay, Ben McDonald, Milt Wilcox, Andy McGaffigan, Brady Anderson. Is that second year Brady Anderson, I think? Gary Lavelle, Doug Bear. I'm surprised it wasn't a Catfish Hunter. 75 tops, Ron Bryant, Ed Matthews. That is a pretty nice card there, Eddie Matthews. Nice condition as well. It's definitely a nice one. 59 tops. Definitely put him down here. That's definitely one of my favorite ones so far. Tom Goodwin, batting leaders, 76. Looks like Rod Carew, Fred Lynn, Thurman Munson. It's a nice card too. Jim Abbott, Ian Kennedy. Let's see, we got a Mark Thurman, 89 Upper Deck, Bo Jackson, Mike Devereaux, Tony Pena, 84 Donruss, Francisco Oliveras. Oh, I dropped one. Sorry, guys. Don't worry, it was only Melvin Davis. Nobody important. Steve Reed, Jim Dwyer, Cesar Cedeno. Close and Personal with Barry Bonds, Collector's Choice. Bert Blyleven, 74. It's not bad. Never was a fan of his, more of a compiler, but he's still in the Hall of Fame, I guess. He's doing better than I am. Getting down second to last pack here. Let's see what we can find. Don Baylor, Rookie of the Year, Chad Hermanson, Rookie of the Year favorite. Gary Carter, Howard Johnson, Tim Burke, Ron Karkovice, Jim Fregosi, 72, and Reggie Jackson, home run leader. Steve Sack Studio. Looks like another 59 coming up. Jackie Brandt. This one's in pretty decent shape too. Okay, and nothing else really in that pack. All right, last pack. Gotta get something good now. Sammy Stewart. Okay. And Pete O'Brien. This reprint. Let's see. Archives. Willard Marshall, Paul Assemacher, Jim Palmer. Let's see what we got here. Doyle Alexander. Mark Burley, Dave Kingman, Rafael Santana, Joe Carter, Phil Nevin, Tom Griffin, Carmelo Castillo, Taylor Clark, Scott Rowland. And that was it. You know, decent cards. I really like this Eddie Matthews, though. I mean, it's obviously badly off center, but still pretty nice card. You know, Griffey Jr., Jim Palmer. Overall, not bad. Like I said, I still think that they sent a stack box over the John Jabs at the Passes Live, but I'll leave that up for debate with the rest of you guys. I appreciate you hanging in there while I bored you to death with this break, because yeah, this was rough. So, like I said, I apologize if I missed any rookie cards or anything, you know, from the older ones. Like I said, I'm not big on that yet. As I get back into this more, I'm sure I'll pick up on it. Know the years better, know the key rookie cards from the olden days. If you have any questions, please leave me, comment down there, critique, tell me how bad I was, etc., etc. If you have any suggestions on the next box to open, I know you guys see some other boxes behind it, let me know. And I will do my best to, grant your request, I guess, for lack of better words. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll